experiencing 100 years in this time. Imagine compressing a century's worth of life into a single, intensely lived existence. What would it feel like to witness history unfold at warp speed, to evolve personally at an accelerated rate, and to navigate the complexities of a rapidly changing world? Accelerated living isn't just about living longer. It's about experiencing more within the time we have. It's a compressed journey, packing a century's worth of experiences into a shorter time frame. The emphasis is on the quality and density of experience, not merely the quantity of years. It's about living a life intensely, filled with rapid change, profound learning, and deep engagement. At its core, it's the idea of maximizing our potential for growth and understanding within the limited time we're given. It's about making every moment count. One interpretation of this accelerated life is witnessing history unfold before your eyes. Imagine living through pivotal moments, not just reading about them in textbooks. This life is marked by significant historical events, revolutions, and paradigm shifts. You're not just an observer, you're a participant in the grand narrative of human progress. Witnessing and participating in revolutions, both social and political, shapes your understanding of power and change. You see firsthand the struggles and triumphs of humanity. Observing technological advancements from the first horseless carriage to the latest quantum computer is breathtaking. You see the world transform at an unprecedented pace. Your role is to navigate these societal shifts, to understand their implications, and to contribute to a better future. It's a life of constant adaptation and learning. Consider the invention of the automobile. You witness the shift from horse-drawn carriages to motorized vehicles, transforming transportation and urban landscapes. Then, the rise of the internet. You experience the world becoming interconnected, information flowing freely, and communication evolving in unimaginable ways. And finally, the exploration of space. You see humanity reaching for the stars, pushing the boundaries of knowledge, and inspiring generations to dream bigger. This perspective emphasizes the impact of external forces on your life, shaping your worldview and influencing your decisions. You are a product of your time, but also a shaper of it. Another interpretation focuses on the internal journey, the continuous learning and self-discovery that defines a life lived intensely. It's about personal evolution. This is the accumulation of wisdom, gained through experience, reflection, and a willingness to learn from mistakes. It's about becoming a better version of yourself. Embracing challenges and overcoming obstacles is a key component of this accelerated growth. Each hurdle strengthens your resilience and expands your capabilities. You progress through various stages of personal development, each marked by new insights and a deeper understanding of yourself and the world around you. Delving into diverse fields of knowledge, from art and science to philosophy and spirituality, broadens your horizons and enriches your perspective. Cultivating meaningful relationships is essential for personal growth. These connections provide support, challenge your assumptions, and offer new perspectives. Developing a deep understanding of oneself, including your strengths, weaknesses, values, and beliefs, is crucial for navigating life's complexities. And finally, developing a deep understanding of the world, its cultures, its histories, and its interconnectedness allows you to live with greater empathy and purpose. This perspective highlights the internal journey and self-directed growth, emphasizing the power of individual agency and the potential for transformation. Perhaps the most relevant interpretation is the reflection of the rapid pace of modern life itself. We are all, in a sense, living accelerated lives. The constant influx of information, the ever-evolving technologies, and the demands of a globalized world create a sense of time compression. Technology accelerates everything from communication to transportation to the spread of ideas. We are bombarded with information and expected to keep up. Globalization connects us to people and cultures around the world, exposing us to new perspectives and challenges. We are part of a global community. This forces us to adapt and learn at an unprecedented rate, constantly updating our skills and knowledge to remain relevant in a rapidly changing world. Navigating this constantly changing world presents both challenges and opportunities. It requires resilience, adaptability, and a willingness to embrace the unknown. The challenges include information overload, stress, and a sense of being overwhelmed. It's easy to feel lost in the noise and complexity of modern life. But the opportunities are immense. We have access to more information, more resources, and more connections than ever before. We can learn, grow, and contribute in ways that were unimaginable just a few decades ago. So how do we make the most of this accelerated life, whether it's a literal century compressed or simply the feeling of modern existence? The answer lies in purposeful living. Live a life of purpose and engagement, actively seeking out experiences that challenge you, inspire you, and contribute to something larger than yourself. Live a life of continuous growth, always learning, evolving, and striving to become a better version of yourself. Never stop exploring, questioning, and seeking new knowledge. Embrace change and seek out new experiences, stepping outside your comfort zone and embracing the unknown. This is where the greatest growth occurs. Cultivate a deep understanding of ourselves, our values, and our purpose. This self-awareness will guide your decisions and help you navigate life's complexities. Cultivate a deep understanding of the world, its cultures, its histories, and its interconnectedness. This global perspective will broaden your horizons and inspire you to make a positive impact. Time is precious, a finite resource that should be used wisely. Don't waste it on trivial pursuits or negative emotions. Invest it in experiences that enrich your life and contribute to your growth. Every moment holds the potential for profound learning and transformation. Be present, be mindful, and be open to the possibilities that each day brings. Live a life that is rich and meaningful, filled with experiences that would normally take a century to accumulate. Make every moment count. If this video resonated with you, take a moment to reflect on your own life. What steps can you take to live more purposefully, to embrace change, and to cultivate a deeper understanding of yourself and the world? Share your thoughts in the comments below, subscribe for more thought-provoking content, and consider sharing this video with someone who might find it inspiring. Let's embark on this journey of accelerated living together.